Today I presentation this software. This software is a NFT collection maker software. Unlimited testing, drop retailer setting, not available anywhere. To easy to image trial. Generate machine, crypto, NFT art collection, automation with the TTC. All touch have been ready for sale with limited effective as humble to perceive. See.
Hey, are you ready to discover the first to market groundbreaking app with proprietary TTC AI technology, which allows you to automatically generate software verified unique artworks that you can sell as NFTs? And if so, I'm about to show you a 100% turnkey solution which generates massive NFT collections ready to be sold and allows you to not only charge one-time payments, but also forever automatically collect passive royalties every time your NFT gets resold on a secondary market, such as OpenSea. And because the TTC AI technology does all the heavy lifting, it's mathematically almost impossible for you to not get any collector-worthy results, even if you have not made any art in your entire life and have no tech experience at all. Plus, you'll get all the information you need on how to sell as many pieces of art as humanly possible as well. And do not worry, generating massive crypto art collections with our software is as easy as it gets. Because of our proprietary TTC AI technology, anyone can make an NFT-ready crypto art collection without any prior art or tech experience. Hi there, hey, it's Robert. And before we continue, let me just give you a quick explanation in layman terms what crypto art NFT is.
So friend, see more information, click my video description link below and click the my link below more information about this software. See world number 1 NFT collection maker apps with TTC all technology generated through of art for collection. Cool you app, nothing to install, as easy as I got to use. Professional variable artwork, customize and deeply your NFT create right for the dashboard. Include free software upload, highly optimize NFT see more and more information. Got NFT collection make now. See pay to PayPal, Visa card or MasterCard. Oh my god, 30-day money back guarantee, so risk free. It also support Windows and Macs. What people are saying about NFT collection maker? See, this crypto generated crypto robot will see the review here. Easy to artwork collection generated with the NFT collection maker. Create, generated and export the collection. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Automatic generated software verify unique art through you can sell as NFT. See, ready to discover the fast market generating apps TTC AI technology, which allow you to automatically generate software variable unique artwork can sell NFT. TTC AI technology does all the high lifting. What is the crypto art NFT? Let me give you quick explanation. Limit crypto NFT is without going to technology details. NFT by details got point which work same world art point just online, but there is a very important which is maintained to see give you crypto art NFT value. C. Discover crazy world crypto art NFT. Now see what is the NFT crypto art business. Last 30 days sale of the top NFT option 1 to 50. C. Crypto ping. Oh my god, it is real income. See, this is a real income. Oh yes. See, create a studio strategy. Of course, not all collection should out in maintain with sales open unique people learn about the collection or some influence to tweet about it. For explain, see this price. What is the NFT? ETS. For those you will don't have the is crypto created caption use NFT technology. See more and more. Last 30 days sale of NFT. See, oh my god, it's real income. I am oh yes. See strategy, crazy strategy. See this price NFT. Yes, see there is a very little about art collection sales intent now. Some of the collection have a super very basic sale 5 through generating 30 days sales. Oh my god, it is real income. So friend, what do you think? Just click a buy button this software or more income to you, passive income. See NFT collection maker. See
Okay, here we are inside the platform you can use with Mac or PC, and we'll see how fun and easy it is to make these great looking collections of generated art inside NFT Collection Maker. And you start by going to Create in the left panel, and we'll call this collection Demo B, hit Save, and the first thing you'll do is make the traits for the images its parts. And the first trait we'll make, hit Create, start with Background. Its default layer is 1, save it. The next trait will be Body, default layer 2, save. And the third trait will be Hair, default layer 3, and so on. And I'm going to go to Demo A to save time. It's already made, and this is what all the traits look like when they're finished. You can see all the layers and all the items that have been added to make the arts look so great. And you can add as many items as you like here. So let's check on the clothing preview window here and look, and these are the cool parts that you can add, and here you can define the rarity of the items you've added or chance of the items to be included in the image. And by default, it's 100 divided by the number of images. So you can see here, this item appears in 3.85% in all the images in the collection. And of course, you can control how often you want certain items to appear by adjusting this fantastic handy slider. Now, in another item, a feature we haven't seen anywhere else, multi-images in each item. The same image with two parts, because some hair may not work with, say, the hoodie, so you can choose there, and also some more flexibility. Sometimes you don't want some items working with other items, so back to traits quickly here, open the hair preview. As an example, this beret here won't work with the hoodie I showed you, right? So you go to forbidden items here, and you add other items to not be generated in this image. And in this case, you can see here black hoodie clothing, bathrobe, and a few other items. Super, super, super cool. The perfect image you envision. All right, now back to the NFT panel to see how to generate your previews, and wait till you see how quickly that happens with thousands of unique images being generated in almost no time. So I just will delete these previews here so I can regenerate and show you the magic. So watch this. Generate preview. We're making 3,000 images. Hit go. Not even in 2 seconds. And you have 3,000 images generated. So now you can review your images, and maybe you have a couple you don't want to use. I have 2 that I don't want generated with the 3,000, so I click on disable on each image. And so I go back to generate preview again. I will add 2 more, which will replace the 2 disabled images, and the TTC technology makes sure they are completely unique. So see, I actually have 3,002 images with 2 disabled to keep me at 3,000 images. You go to the Fresh button, and here are your newly generated unique images. And here they all are by pushing all. Wow! 3,000 fantastic images to generate. Each one is unique. You just can't do that manually. And there you are.
So friend, what do you think? Just click now buy button, or you'll earn money online. Images for your NFT complete for free. See, NFT collection make apps also included NFT 2 token. Create your can customize right inside the app. So 30 days sales. Oh my god, it's very details step by step tutorial video. This software copy paste by button, access your Apple group. See, join NFT collection, art create. Good thing can help for you. Price to technology last year completed. People are saying about NFT collection maker. Access pays to they applied to this group. See, NFT maker. Create NFT maker collection. Price 27 or price 37. How to facility 1 NFT art collection, 5 NFT art collection, and 2 different setup or 2 different uses. More facility, more uses. So what do you think? Just add a card, PayPal, Visa card, MasterCard, or buy use this software or earn money. So I think this is the best to use this software, or everybody easy to earn money. It is risk free. See, your computer screen or mobile screen, our official 30-day money back guarantee. So 100% no risks. See, Twitter are so more support. So what do you think? Just click now or buy button. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel or more video about good software, good uses or helpful software help you uses. Easy to live, easy to use because time is money. So easy to fast uses you can software use. Thank you friend, thank you for watching my video.